Alright, now we're going to look at how to assemble this simple oscillator that is showing us the electrolytic differences between these materials. So first, what I'm using here is a breadboard, and this allows me to make electrical connections to the points that I want to and not allow electrical connections to the points I don't want to. I start by putting my chip in here, the 74HC14, and I can tell pin 1 is right here where the dimple is. And so I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through 7. And then I jump over to the other side and I count back 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to 14 here on the end. In order to power this chip, what I want to do is I want to take a wire, and it's stripped here at the end, and I connect up pin 14 with ground, or I connect up pin, 14 with power, not with ground. Pin 14 with power, which is supplied on the plus rail of my breadboard, right here. And then I connect up pin 7 down here. So any one of these holes right here in the row aligned with pin 7. Any of these will work. And then I connect it up to the blue side, my ground side. And then these in turn are connected to my battery. I connect the ground side of the battery, the negative side of the battery, to the blue rail. I connect the positive side of the battery to the red rail, and now I'm supplying it with power. And in just a little bit, I'll show you how to connect up our other parts.